Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is our today's question on LeetCode, and this question is basically daily challenge on 18 September, and the question is the k weakest row in matrix. So we will read this question first and we'll try to figure out how we can solve this question. So you are given an m cross n binary matrix mat of ones represent soldiers, okay, and 0 represents civilians. So basically we are having m cross n binary matrix in which 1 represents soldiers and 0 represents civilians, okay. The soldier are positioned in front of civilians, okay. So soldiers are present in front of civilians, okay. So they have told us soldiers are present in front of civilians, and that is all ones will appear to the left of zeros. So they have given us a condition in this matrix that all the one will lie before 0. So you can see that all the one, there are two one in this row, so they are written first and after that 0 is written, okay. So in every row the same thing is going to happen, like we are having 4 times 1, okay, on the left side and 0 on the right side. Here 1 time 1 on the left side and 4 zeros on the right side. Here 2 1 on the left side and 3 0 on the right side, and so on. So they have given this condition, and what we have to do, we have to return so basically a row is a weaker than row j, so they are going to compare two rows, okay. So if row I is weaker than row j, so what does it mean? The number of soldier in ith row is less than number of soldier in jth row, okay. So basically if we have to compare about weakness, okay, so which row is going to weaker? So if we are comparing in any two rows, so we will just count total number of 1 in both the rows, and the row which is having smaller less number of 1 will be weaker, okay. So you can see that in this 0th row and the second row, 0th row has 2 1 and second row has only 1 1. So second row is going to be weaker than 0th row. So this is the definition of weaker row, and what we have to do, we have to return indices of k weakest row in the matrix. So we have to return k weakest row. So you can see that in this matrix what we are having, we are having 0th row has having 2 soldiers, okay. So I am going to write here 0th row has 2 1, okay. First row have so first have, you can see that there are 4 0 1s. Second is having only 1 0 1 1. The third one is having, the third row is having, you can see that there are 2 1, okay. So 2 ones, and the fourth row, so for the fourth row we are having total of 5 ones. So you can see that the smallest of all this is nothing but 2. So 2 followed by, you can see that 0 followed by 3, okay. You can write 230 also or 203, both are correct, okay. So we have to return this order 203 in form of vector. So let us try to code this question. So basically what we'll do, we'll just count total number of ones. So basically you can see that we can directly count total number of 1 in each row, but they have given us a condition that all the ones appear on the left side. So what we can do, we can use binary search here, okay, to find out the last position of 1. So for this what we can do, we will use binary search approach, okay. So int total 1, okay, or total 1. So basically in any row we will find out the last position of 1. So you can see that in this row the last position of 1 is going to be index 1. So total number of ones will be nothing but index plus 1. So you can see that 2 is number of 1. So that's what we will do here. So vector of integer row, okay, and again what we will do, using binary search we will find last position of 1 and will return it after adding 1, okay. So for this we will have a left index L and right index R, which is nothing but row dot size minus 1, and we will have a while loop for the binary search. So while L less than equal to R, int mid, which is nothing but L plus R minus L upon 2. So if this row of mid, so if row of mid is equal to 1, so basically if we found any 1, so we will search for higher indexes also. So basically we will first store this index. So int answer is equal to -1. Initially we will initialize answer, or let's say position as -1, and whenever we found row of mid is equal to 1, we will update our position. So pos is equal to mid, and we will search for the right part. So basically L is equal to mid plus 1. And in all the other cases, what we will do, we will if we found 0, we will have to search for the left sub part of array or row. So that's why R is equal to mid minus 1. And finally what we will do, we will just return pos plus 1. So this will return number of ones. Okay, so again coming back to our main function, we will have a vector of pair of integer. Okay, so this will store total number of 1 corresponding to each row. Okay, so what we will do, yeah, so we will iterate over all the rows of matrix. So for auto I is equal to 0, I less than mat dot size and I plus plus. Okay, and what we will do, we will count 1. So 1 is equal to, we will use this total ones formula function to find out total number of 1 in this mat of I. Okay, and what we will do, we will just push back this 1 in our vec along with index. So 1 comma I will be pushed back in this vec, and what we will do, we will just sort this vec again. Okay, such that we get all the number of ones in ascending order. So we have sorted this vector, and for the first k element, because we have to find out first k weakest row, so for first k elements we will store indexes in form of vector. So vector of index, vector of integer res. Okay, so what we will do, we will just store the indexes. Okay, so for indexes we will just choose, we will just take the second member of this pair. So vec of I dot second, and finally what we'll do, we'll just return our res. So this is the code, and let us see whether the code runs or not. So here there is a one mistake. Okay, here I have to write int, it is not end. Yeah, so you can see that both the test cases are passing. Let us see for main cases. Yeah, all the cases are passing, you can see that. Okay, so I will again try to explain this code. So basically what we have to do, they have given us this information that all the ones will appear on the left of all the zeros. Okay, so using this information we can use binary search approach. Okay, so using binary search we can reduce the time complexity. Okay, so otherwise if we are directly counting all the ones, the time complexity will be of order n square. Here the time complexity will be of order n log n. So I will write here time complexity is of order n log n. Okay, n because we are iterating over all the rows, and for searching in each row we are having log n times time complexity. Okay, so n log n. Okay, so that is that's what I have written here. So basically what we have to do, we have iterated row is the row, and in each row what we have done, we have a counted number of ones using this binary search approach. Okay, and finally what we have done, we have stored this total number of 1 and index in a form of vector of pairs, and we have sorted it, and for the first k elements we got the index of first k elements. So in this way we got our indexes for the k weakest rows, and we have written it in form of vector. So I hope you understood my solution, and if you have any kind of doubt regarding this question, or if you want to share any other approach for this question, you can write in comment section also. Okay, and if you like my solution, you can like my video also, and If you want to see some more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel, and the code link will be present in description. Thank you.